One.
Hi, it's Chelsea Carshaw, nurse practitioner at Well Medical Arts. So a big concern that a lot of our patients have are the jowls. When it starts to feel heavy down here, where you start to see a little more volume here, we call those some fullness in the jowls. And what it's caused by is the volume loss in the upper face. So as we age, we start to lose volume in our temples, our tear troughs, our cheeks, and it can sag on down, form those jowls. So we have a really great laser called the Agnes laser. It's a monopolar radio frequency device, and it goes in and destructs the fat and tightens the skin at the same time. It's one of the only machines that can do that. So what we do is we go in, we numb up the face, so you're nice and numb for it, and we use the Agnes laser, and we put some little needle tip on here, and we go in and destruct the fat and tighten the skin at the same time. Now, we also can tighten the skin back to help keep the face nice and lifted. It's a fantastic treatment. The results are permanent, so it's gonna be worth it long term. And usually it takes 1 to 3 treatments to get the results you want, but we wait about 3 months between treatments to see the full result. It takes about that long for your body to go in, encapsulate those fat cells, and get rid of them. And so we monitor your progress along the way, and most of our patients really do well with about 2 treatments.